Hello students, welcome back to my channel Success Step Word, who says if you dream it you can do it. So from today we are starting a series of English grammar in which we'll cover all the topics like sentence, noun, pronoun, conjunction, preposition, tense, etc. So let's get started. Today we'll learn about sentence. So after listening this word sentence, the first question which comes in our mind is what is sentence? So firstly I'll tell you what is sentence. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Which means जब हम काफ़ी सारे words को एक साथ लिखते हैं तो उस line को sentence कहते हैं. But one more important thing is all the words must be arranged in proper order. If they are not arranged in proper order तो उसे sentence नहीं माना जाएगा. For example, English us the teacher teaches is an incorrect sentence because it is not arranged in proper order. The correct sentence is the teacher teaches us English. Clear? I hope आप सबको समझ आया होगा कि sentence क्या होता है. What is sentence? Now moving further, parts of a sentence. There are two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. So first we'll study subject, a person, place, animal or thing that does the action mentioned in the sentence. सो एक पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग जो एक्शन करता है, कोई काम करता है, ये जिसके सेंटेंस में बात होती है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट होता है. इट मोस्टली अकर्स एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस बट इन सम केसेस सब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस के लास्ट में भी आ सकता है या आ जाता है. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स सब्जेक्ट नाउन या प्रोनाउन होता है. इन अपकमिंग चैप्टर्स यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट नाउन और प्रोनाउन. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. आई लाइक चॉकलेट्स. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस आई इज़ आर सब्जेक्ट क्योंकि यहाँ हम आई की बात कर रहे हैं दैट मुझे चॉकलेट्स पसंद है. नेक्स्ट इज ही रीड्स मैनी बुक्स. इन दिस सेंटेंस ही इज़ आर सब्जेक्ट बिकॉज हेयर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हिम दैट ही रीड बुक्स. क्लियर? वन मोर थिंग, सब्जेक्ट कैन बी ऑफ वन वर्ड और मोर देन वन वर्ड. Now here is a short exercise for you in which you have to underline the subject. One has been done by me. Sneha sings very well. In this sentence Sneha is doing something so she is our subject. इसी तरह से आपको ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करनी है. You can take screenshot of it. Now we move to predicate. It is that part of a sentence which tells something about the subject. Means subject के बारे में sentence में जो बात होती है वो हमारा predicate होता है. Or we can say apart from subject, rest of the sentence is our predicate. For example, I like chocolates. This sentence is talking about me that I like chocolates. So I is our subject and like chocolate is our predicate. Now we'll do a short exercise. Underline the predicate in the given sentence. Our first sentence is grandma comes to visit us. In this sentence we are talking about grandma that she comes to visit us. So grandma is our subject and rest of the sentence is our predicate. You can take a look on your own on the rest of the sentences and try to solve these sentences. Now let's move on. Next is types of sentences. So sentences can be classified into four types. First one is assertive sentences which are called as declarative also. Second is interrogative which are known as question sentences. Next is imperative and the last one is exclamatory sentences. So first we'll talk about assertive sentences. An assertive sentence is one that states a general fact, a habitual action or a universal truth. So in short, all the simple sentences such as the sun rises in the east or I get up early etc. are included in assertive sentences. This type of sentences always ends with a full stop. So you can identify them by full stop also. Clear? So जितनी भी नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, जितने भी हैबिचुअल एक्शंस हैं वो सभी आपके असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस में आते हैं. और सिंपली अगर मैं बोलूँ तो इंटेरोगेटिव, इम्पेरेटिव, एक्सक्लेमेटरी को छोड़कर आपके जितने भी सेंटेंसेस बचते हैं सभी ही आपके असर्टिव में आएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर, दीज सेंटेंसेज आर ऑल्सो नोन एज क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेज. So these sentences always ask questions such as what is your name, where do you live or what do you like games, etc. Along with this, these sentences always ends with a question mark. So you can identify them by the question mark as well. जहाँ पर भी आप किसी sentence में question देखते हैं, that is interrogative sentence. I hope you all are understanding my point. Next type is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is used to give a command or make a request, which means all the request commands and orders are included in imperative sentences, such as if I say please give me a glass of water. So this is an imperative sentence. Along with this, unlike the other three types of sentences, imperative sentences do not always require a subject, such as switch off the fan. So in this sentence कोई भी subject नहीं है. तो imperative sentences में subject का होना must नहीं है. They can start with a verb as well. If I talk about punctuation mark, so these sentences also ends with a full stop. So whenever you see any request or order in any sentence, you should know that these kind of sentences are imperative sentences. Okay. After that, last but not the least, exclamatory sentences. Those sentences which state any sudden feeling are included in exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences में always एक बड़ी feeling और emotion होता है, whether it is anger, sadness or happiness. Let's see the examples. Wow, what a beautiful building. In this sentence, the speaker is amazed by the beauty of building. Next one is alas, her uncle has died. This sentence is showing sadness by using word alas as exclamation word. One more thing, these sentences always ends with an exclamation mark. So wherever you see the exclamation mark, that is for sure an exclamatory sentence. So I hope you all are understanding my point, and you all understood all the types of sentence and what is sentence and what are the parts of sentences. Okay. So finally, here is a short exercise for you which you have to solve on your own. So in this exercise, you have to find out the type of given sentences. Firstly, you have to take screenshot of it, and then you have to read all the sentences and identify their types. Clear? Lastly, here are some important tips for you related to this topic. First one is, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. So whenever you start writing any sentence, you must start it with capital letter. After that, a sentence always ends with a punctuation mark, such as full stop, question mark or exclamatory mark. Last one is, a sentence must have a verb or verb phrase. So in our upcoming topics, you will get to know about verb or verb phrase. So yeah students, this is enough for today's video. I hope you understood all the points. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay tuned with us. So if you have any of the query, you can comment in comment section. I will definitely answer to your query. So thank you so much for today.